Okay, part 3 of apple changes. I have waited a little over an hour because the apples were not making a lot of changes, but you can see that there are a few changes here. If we look at the apple in water over here, it has gotten a little more yellow. There's some brown on the edges, so we could probably color this one in a little darker yellow. We could probably put a little brown on the edge like this, but not big change. All right, the one with salt right here, it really doesn't have any changes at all. I think it looks just about like it did before. So we'll just color it in a little bit with yellow like before. And then our apple with lemon juice right here, there's not a lot of changes there either. A little more yellow, just a little brown on the edge. So we could probably color it in just a little bit darker yellow. With just a little bit up here, whoops, here on the edge, a little bit of brown, but not a lot. And then the one we did nothing with, that one probably had the most changes. It is probably the more brown one, more brown on the edge. So we will color that in with a little bit of brown, a little more darker on the edge. Okay, so did all of our apples look the same when we were finished? Yes or no? No, there were some changes. Which apple had the least amount of changes? Well, I would say the one with the salt had the least amount of changes. Which one changed the most? Probably the one that we did nothing with. So there we go. These are some chemical changes, and it looks like salt did the best to keep the chemical change from happening as much. So there we go.